You say the streets are full of strays, like they're the root of all our days. But open your eyes, take a look around. It's not the dogs that are bringing us down. Children are hungry, dreams on hold, youth growing older, futures sold. But here you stand, with law in hand, chasing a shadow across the land. They're innocent souls, just trying to survive, chasing a crumb, just to stay alive. But we got jobless youth and empty plates. Tell me, why is the dog your biggest debate? Some men have done unspeakable crimes. They've shattered lives 1,000 times. Ask the victims, they'll tell you clear. Justice is slow, but the fear's still here. But we don't punish every man in the street for the monsters some victims meet. So if one dog bites, don't take them all down. Mercy's the jewel in a nation's crown. They're innocent souls, just trying to survive, chasing a crumb, just to stay alive. But we got jobless youth and empty plates. Tell me, why is the dog your biggest debate? Fix the roads, fix the schools. Stop making these heartless rules. Don't hide the truth, don't